This Pilot Communities program is really our opportunity to focus on rural Montana, undervisited Montana, and helping to grow the tourism economy in those locations.
Our whole community is excited to bring improvements. We want to watch how our community vitality is improved and how the unity is strengthened. The destination for our community should be our unique landscape, our rural culture, hunting, fishing, huge attractions. People kind of chuckle out here at stargazing because we do it every night. But for those that are in the city, it's unique. We expect to see some sub-grant applications from our eateries, whether that means expand seating or outdoor areas. I think we might put some funding into the track. Not only will that give our locals a place to walk, but then we'll also be able to host track meets. Our motels are interested, as are our outfitters and the outlying places that may have unused cabins or bunkhouses. Year one, we have plans to bring in some workshops and some trainings to strengthen our team. Year two, we're ready to see those projects get launched.